एग्रीमेंट ऑफ वर्ब्स बहुत ही ट्रिकी टॉपिक है। कहाँ पे इस लगाना है, कहाँ पे आर लगाना है, वर्ब में एस लगेगा कि नहीं लगेगा, so it's all very confusing. So I'll clear all your doubts and make it super easy for you if you follow the rules. Rule number 1. If there are two or more singular subjects joined by and, then the verb will be plural. For example, Raj and Roy are friends, where Raj and Roy are two subjects in a plural form. So we will put the plural verb are. Rule number 2. If the subject is singular, then we will put s in verb. And if the subject is in a plural form, then we will not put s in verb. For example, he plays cricket, where he is the singular subject. So verb play, we will put s. They play cricket, where they is the plural subject. So we will not put s in verb. So it will remain play. Rule number 3. अगर सेंटेंस में each, either, neither, everyone, one of the दिखाई दे, then the verb will be singular. For example, each of the sisters is helpful. Either of the two bottles is mine. Neither of the two dresses is yours. Everyone knows the secret. One of the thieves is caught. Rule number 4. When two subjects are joined with either or, neither nor, the verb agrees with the second subject. For example, either the master or the helpers were at home. So the second subject, helpers, is plural. So we will put the plural verb. Next, neither the daughter nor the son is at school. Over here, the second subject son is singular. So we will put the singular verb is. Rule number 5. When two subjects are joined by with or as well as, the verb agrees with the first subject. For example, the captain with all the players is on the field. Over here, the captain is the first singular subject. So we'll put the verb in a singular form. Next, the players with the captain are on the field. Over here, the players is the first plural subject. So the verb will also be in a plural form. There are some more rules which I'll discuss in my next video. I know these rules are a bit lengthy, but once you follow these rules, then it will become very easy for you all to solve the exercise. So practice and apply these rules and share with your friends. Keep learning and keep growing. Bye for now. See you again.